Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Kia Sportage key fob case. Begin by laying out your replacement case, a small flathead screwdriver, tweezers, and a CR2032 battery. Open the original fob carefully at the seam using gentle prying motions. Keep track of tiny screws and springs in a small dish. Handle the circuit board by its edges to avoid static damage while preparing for the swap. Now we will open the fob together with gentle, steady motions. Find the seam and any hidden screw, then insert a small flathead screwdriver at the corner and twist lightly to separate the halves. Work around the perimeter to unclip the plastic tabs without forcing them. If screws are present, remove them and place them in order. Keep the circuit board face up to avoid bending contacts while you continue. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful videos. Quick recommendation. A book I enjoy is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can truly change how you think about money. It pairs oddly well with DIY savings from fixing your own key fob. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a drink, and now let's get back to the video. With the shell open, gently lift the circuit board by its edge and remove the old CR2032 battery using tweezers. Transfer the rubber button pad and metal key blade into the new case, checking orientation so buttons align perfectly. Place the circuit board into the new shell and press until it seats fully, ensuring battery contacts touch terminals. Recheck button function by pressing each one before closing and securing the case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.